Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the tutorials. One vital information I want to share here is that Bybit is running a bonanza and you need to participate. If you participate, you're going to get a lot of rewards. There are few coins you just need to partake. You just need to stake, you just need to trade, you just need to trade some coins. Those coins that you're going to trade and be rewarded, I'm going to show them to you like right away. Okay, so before I dive into that fully, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, so it's going to here we are on the phone. Here we are on the phone. You're going to go to your Bybit end. You go to your Bybit end, or you go straight to your notification center. You can see here, this is exactly where we need to claim. You can see action needed. Claim your share of 15,000. Trade DAP, cards, puffer, carve, dip, and you win. Okay, so all these coins mentioned here, all the coins mentioned here is what you're going to trade. All right, so let's quickly click on it to open. Now we'll exercise patience for it to open. So now that it's opened, we're going to look at it. You can see it's an exciting news for our African community. Get ready to secure your share of 15,000 USDT worth of tokens in this exclusive tokens giveaway. During the African Token Bonanza, we will be giving away 5 exciting tokens. What are those tokens you are going to get? It's Trade a Pencil Protocol. It is DAP. DAP/USDT. Trade it now and you'll be rewarded. The second one is cards. The third one is puffer. The fourth one is carve. Carve is a base network. Okay, so you trade it against USDT and you will be rewarded. So what do you need to do? So what you need to do to participate in that is click on register. So after you click on register, then you can go ahead to trade any of those mentioned coins. Right? If you trade DAP, you're going to be rewarded in DAP. If you trade cards, you'll be rewarded in cards. If you trade puffer, carve, and dip, you'll be rewarded the same. All right, so all you just need to do, like right now before you proceed, is to click on register here. So clicking on register, the first thing you just need to do, you either sign up or you're going to log in. Okay, it's very simple. All you just need to do here is to log in or you sign up for this activity. If you already have an account already, you click on login so that you can just fill in your information and log in. And if you do not have an account, you're going to click on sign up and you provide all the necessary information. I'm going to drop my referral link for you at the descriptive section of this very content so that you can use it to sign up. Okay, so that is all what you just need to do. Then after signing up, you just come to this place and make your choice which one. And if you like, you can trade all. If you trade all, you're going to go into any lots. Okay, so you can come to this place to click on trade. After you click on trade, if you click on trade, that is, you are ready to like trade the particular coin already. Okay, so you're going to go into click on trade. It will take you to where you can buy. Then you buy and you can even sell immediately. There's no fee about that. Okay, and if you want to trade this one as well, to click on it, anyone you want to trade about it is what you're just going to click. All right, so but before you can do that, don't forget, you must first click on register to register. After the registration, then you can come back to what to trade. So thank you so much. I'll be stopping here for the day. If you do have any questions, do not forget, drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.